Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be preparing turnip and mustard greens cooked with smoked turkey necks. So if you want to cook with me, stay tuned. Here I'm just showing all of the ingredients I use to cook the greens. And if you're interested, I'll have all of the ingredients listed in the description box below. So I've added a couple cups of water to a pot, and I put in my smoked turkey necks, and I'm going to boil them for a couple of hours or until they get tender. And I'll be adding more water as the water evaporates from the pot. So you'll have to keep checking your meat and adding water as needed. I'm using bag greens from my local grocery market because that's all they had. This is my first time using bag greens, as a matter of fact, and I usually purchase the bunches of greens, but I couldn't find any. So they turned out pretty good, but these greens are bag greens. They have already been chopped up, and I'm just going through them. I'm washing them thoroughly, and I'm picking out little damaged pieces and larger stems. So now the greens have been washed, and the smoked turkey necks have been boiling for hours, and I'm putting the greens inside of the pot that the turkey necks have been boiling in. That little water that was at the bottom that you saw is full of flavor from the smoked turkey necks. And I'm adding the onions, the bell pepper. I'm adding some jalapeno peppers, and that's my own blend of seasonings. And I added a little bit of vinegar, and I'm adding some garlic because I love garlic. And you can chop your garlic smaller than this. I just like my garlic like that, but you can mince the garlic, or you can leave it out altogether. This is just how I make my greens, and they turn out very well. So if you decide to try this recipe, please let me know. Let me know how they turn out. Look at these greens. They are so delicious. I did adjust some seasonings while they were cooking, and you have to do the same. Just taste your greens, taste your broth to see if the seasonings are to your liking, and you add, you know, whatever it is that you like to season your greens with. Add a little bit of that, and until the taste is to your liking. But these greens turned out so delicious. I paired these turnip and mustard greens cooked with smoked turkey necks with some candied yams, hot water cornbread, and some fresh onions on the side. And it was so delicious. If you're interested on how I made that hot water cornbread or how I made those candied yams, go check out those videos. I thank you all so very much for watching. I thank you all for your support. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bon appetit.